Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And today we are in somewhere around Marina and Atlantis. I'm gonna show you the view around. This is what we have now background. You can see the Arabian Sea at my back. And there's Yuvraj. And there's Sebastian. He's flying the drone right now. So guys, it's very hot right now. As you can see, I'm sweating. And also we are planning to take a very good drone shots today. Like I've already taken some drone shots. Now the next view which you're gonna see is the drone shots. Enjoy it. He's gonna bring his drone back. Not like last time. I don't know, you guys can see that or not? Yeah. So guys, as I told you, we are in a place called Marina, and the place behind me is all Marina.
This side of the wall, from this end you can see the Marina, but from the other side of the palm you can see Burj Al Arab and Burj Khalifa. Yeah.
There's a drone.
Huh? But now you will not see because the sun is just above, so it's perfect to make the sun rise.
Okay.
Over there and sunset.
This side is for sunset?
No, this side is just to make because the light is perfect on this side because you have the sun at the back. But when you are on that side and you wanna shoot Burj Khalifa, the sun is going inside your head. So the best time is like 1 hour before the sunset. It's nice there, but we're not going there. We're not going there today for this because I need to make time lapse somewhere else of sunset.
As you can see, the droning is already finished. Yuvraj is very sweaty. It's very hot right now. You can see
Extremely hot. Yeah, just see how many gears in the car. Look.
Okay, we're gonna start over here. We got some Gorillapod, gimbal. The drone is lying there. Okay guys, now we are in a place called Dubai Marina. So that time we just took a drone shot from very far away. Now this is the place. Look behind me. There are some party going on those yachts. These are all parked over here. Okay guys, we are very lucky right now because we got a small sneak peek, and I've got to show you what is that sneak peek. Our friend, he is also a YouTuber, his name is Babar. He's from Pakistan, and he just led us into one of the rooftops in Dubai, and you can see the view behind us. This is what and where we are right now.
We was lucky.
Yeah, we are very lucky that we met Babar, and I'm gonna link his channel also below so that you can see his channel. So right now we are here, we're gonna take some time lapses, we're gonna take some photos because this is the only opportunity which we got. Yep. Now we go eat. So guys, we just finished the rooftop visit. Now we are very hungry, so we need to eat. We just ordered some burgers. There's Juby, and I don't know, Sebastian is somewhere around there. He's still ordering, so he's waiting for his order. Okay, Sebastian is finally here.
Took like forever.
And what did you order? All beef?
Yeah.
Try one more time. What you're showing? Now we are heading back to our home, guys. It was a very lovely day. It was a fruitful day. We got to go to many beautiful places, got to see many things. We're getting ready. We're getting ready to go home. 1, 2, 3, passport.
This is not fun. This is not fun. First you open all my windows. Now you lock in my trunk.
And now we are finished with everything and we are going home.